Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. I don't know where you are right now. My name is Emeka Kuki, your AI automation expert. Um, the workflow we're going to look at now is university evaluation and scholarship automation system, which I called holistic scholar admission engines. So on this, we're going to look at different nodes. And also, before we go into the nodes we're going to use to execute this, note that we're using N8N as a tool. You can use Zapier or other tools to execute this equally, but N8NN is user-friendly to us. So right now, we can just briefly look at the case studies. Okay, the case studies, a university receives thousands of applications annually. Their current normal automation system uses a decision tree that strictly filters students based on GPA and test scores. This creates a dead end for talented students whose potential for success or extracurricular activities aren't captured by a rigid if and then paths. The admission team is overwhelmed and needs a system that can read the room and evaluate the human story behind the data. Then the goal, this is the case studies, but our goal now is to move from manual, reactive review process to an automated AI-assisted evaluation system that provides thorough, fair, and holistic assessment of every candidate. The system aims to identify high potential students by analyzing qualitative data such as personal assets and personal qualities, ensuring no candidate is dismissed solely on numerical metrics. Okay, that's our case study. That's our case study. Okay, now let's look at the node. We use N8N node. N8N 2. And the node here, the first one is N8N form. You could as well use Google form and other forms of form that's form as a trigger. From there, we go to edit field, which now move to AI agents, which has grop chats as a grop chat model as a chat model. Then move to code, where code model. Okay. Then before sleep, switch and another switch. These two switches has an important role to perform. First, this is auto switch. This was interview requests. When the information gets to accept, it moves to send, it moves to this. Then by the time the first it gets to interview required, then the interview is conducted. If the guy is successful, it will now come to auto accept, then send acceptance letter. If the guy is rejected, or student is rejected, it comes to send a rejection letter. And meanwhile, in all of this, the university receive an alert indicating admission, indicating the student that has completed the interview and successful, which will eventually move to the database. We use Google Sheet as our database. Okay, so and this is a win-win thing. Right now, I'm going to execute this for you to see the workflow and how fast it is. another student has applied. Let me put that. Now, Glory, watch. This is the imputation. Glory. Yes. Then email. Okay. Phone number. Keep on using that. I finish all that I'm doing. Then GPA 4. Scholar. Score. Your score is 89. Then intended major. Say hello. Then say dancing. I'm filling a form. I assume I'm the student. Then the essay I made 90. So based on that, okay, have a look. Fatly executed. Watch. Wow, this is beautiful. Well executed. Did you discover the database how to execution? Okay, this is done. And on this note, I can say thank you for watching, and more of this. Like, subscribe, and follow us. More of these videos will be uploaded, and the next one, you and I will build it from the scratch. Okay, so thank you and good night.